What if there was no past? Just the future. We would have to start again at zero. We would have never won a race. We wouldn't have any fans. We wouldn't have gained any experience with sports cars. We wouldn't have tested our concepts. So, let's forget the past for a moment. To make room for the future. At Porsche, we believe that you can't achieve greatness by just looking back. We believe in looking ahead. We believe in fighting for our dreams to come true. And we believe in constantly pushing the limits to build the best sports car of its time. Again. The new 911, ever ahead.